Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2002 Honda Reflex 250 motor scooter. Automatic transmission, electric start, 2-passenger, runs great. 20,000 miles on this baby. Beautiful gold metallic finish. She's not showroom, but she'll get the job done. Come on by, make your motor scooter dreams come true for only $19.99. We have financing. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. Where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.